Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to replace Jeep Cherokee battery, only way. Begin by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and disconnecting the negative cable first to avoid sparks. Gather safety gear and confirm the vehicle key is removed to prevent electrical activity. Remove nearby metal jewelry, keep tools organized, and have a battery recycling plan ready before lifting the old battery out of the tray. Prepare the right tools and select a replacement battery that matches group size and cold cranking amps for reliable starts. A terminal cleaner and wire brush will ensure clean connections and reduce corrosion. Use a lifting strap to safely remove heavy batteries and a memory saver to preserve radio and ECU settings if desired. Label any disconnected cables to simplify reinstallation and keep all fasteners in a small tray for the reverse process. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical automotive videos. On another note, quick recommendation. Stay hydrated between steps with the Owala water bottle shown here. It makes brakes more pleasant and keeps hands steady. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one for yourself. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Remove the old battery carefully after unfastening the hold down and disconnecting terminals in the right order. Clean the tray area and terminal clamps to remove corrosion and ensure a snug fit for the new battery. Position the replacement, secure the hold down properly to prevent movement, then reconnect terminals with the positive first and negative last to minimize spark risk. Test headlights, starter, and onboard electronics to confirm correct installation and function.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.